Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss about joining NIPER or IIT BHU. So which one is best? So I am talking regarding only pharmacy students, not for engineering. So joining NIPER or IIT BHU. So what is the best thing? So I would like to give my personal opinion, and why I am giving that personal opinion also I would like to tell you. My personal opinion that I prefer only NIPER, not IIT BHU. Why? And I completed, and what is my qualification to give this personal opinion? So I completed my master from NIPER mohali. So I have a lot of experience in studying NIPER mohali, and at the same time I have some good knowledge on the students who are studying in IIT BHU, and I was talked with them. So I will present everything, so you can take your own decision why I am saying to prefer NIPER mohali or NIPER, and why you want to avoid this IIT BHU. So I would like to tell, as per this is only my pure opinion, and so this is not force you to do, and you can take your own decision by listening to this video. So why I prefer only NIPER? So the placements are very good at NIPER, exactly NIPER mohali. I don't know about other NIPERs, but if you likely join in NIPER mohali, you have very good placements, because in NIPER mohali we have very good placement cell. They will get you more than 80 to 90 companies in a year to give jobs to the students. So almost all of the students in NIPER got placed in NIPER mohali. So I talked with some students, so that means I talked with some students who are studying in IIT BHU. Their placements are very low, I'm using very words, so very low compared to NIPER mohali or NIPER. So in fact some particular department they are getting very low companies to give the job. That means 3 to 4 companies only coming to the give job for some particular department. I don't want to mention what is this department, but it is true. I was talking with the students who are studying in IIT BHU, and they completing their masters that means M.Pharm in IIT BHU, still they are not getting jobs. So this is happening with respect to IIT BHU students. I'm talking and I'm telling, and so this time in NIPER mohali everyone is placed. So that is the reason. So you studying M.Pharmacy, or you doing something to get a very good job and very good placement and very good package. So if you are seeing to get a very good package and good placement, so you can prefer NIPER and exactly NIPER mohali. That will help you to get a very good job. And at the same time, but in NIPER or NIPER mohali the situation is not like this. Everyone is getting job, not everyone. So in NIPER mohali what happened means the students out of 200 to 50 freshly joined students, some students think to go for the PhD. So if they want to go for PhD, so they don't want to sit for job. The student who sit for job, who want placement and who want to join job, they definitely will get the job for 100% sure. And after completing their course in NIPER mohali also, they definitely will get the job. That means in case of NIPER or NIPER mohali, 99% of students are getting job based on your skills. If you have skill, definitely you will get the job in NIPER if you study in MS in NIPER. But I seen this IIT BHU placements record, and after talking with the students, I'm telling this is pure my personal opinion. They're getting very less jobs. So I'm not criticizing that IIT BHU was not good. Okay, it is good for studies, but the placement perspective, it is not that much good after talking with the students. And in fact, my juniors, all of my juniors are placed in a very good jobs and very good companies. And in my batch also, everyone placed on very good jobs they are doing. So that means I can tell you surely, if you do join in NIPER, you definitely will get the job. And in NIPER mohali exactly, I don't know about other NIPER situation because I studied NIPER mohali exactly, but I know that NIPERs are very good, because so NIPER is completely dedicated to pharmacy field. I think not in IIT BHU, because IIT BHU there have some other branches like engineering and other branches are available, but the NIPER or NIPER mohali or NIPERs are completely dedicated to pharmacy education, and they will dedicated to analyze the pharmacy field. So that is the reason you get good job very easily. So this is the reason I want to join NIPER compared to IIT BHU. This is quite controversial, but I given my opinion only. You can take your own opinion after talking with the students who are studying in IIT BHU and what is the salary they get it, and you can talk with the NIPER mohali students or NIPER Hyderabad students if you have contacts, and after that only take your decision. So don't put any bad comments, because this is something like controversial topic, even though I given my opinion.